Hey guys, what is up? And today we're going to be opening some match attacks. So here we go. So here it is, guys. Just a 9-player packet. You won't be able to see me opening it, but I'll show you the cards and everything. So yeah. So we start off with Wayne Rooney there. That's pretty good. We have this guy. 48, that's pretty bad. This guy. We got this guy. We got this guy. Come on, anybody good? I have to turn these all around, guys. Got this guy. And I got this guy. Hang on, I got a better way of doing this. Let me do this. Hang on. So I got him. Got a him. Hang on, no, hold it a sec. He will entertain you. Whilst I just quickly put this out.
Anybody want to hear a song?
Nope. No.
I'm looking for a song.
No. No. Right, so there you go. Goes to me. And we have the menu badge. And yes, guys, we have got a great player. Yep, so that's him, guys. 94 Maras. I packed him in my vlog. The vlog lol one, we packed him. So let's go to the next one. So we're gonna go into the next pack now. I got one more pack. It's this one, and yeah. So let's go. So guys, let's open this. Yet again, we won't be able to see it, but Matthew takes the screen again. Okay, I'll take a bet. Think who's in next. Now we get this guy right here. It's pretty good. We'll put you there. There we get this guy right here. Put you there. Got this guy. Put you there. Got this guy. In there. This guy. And there again. Hang on. That. And we got this guy. Got this guy. Got this guy.
He's very good, isn't he?
He's pretty good.
He's got 90 which is good.
And we got this guy right here. Pretty good. 90. He'll go to my collection over here. And go. So yes, guys, we have got him. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this. I got some sixes, got these 3, and a badge. I'm very, very happy with them. I'll show you them now.